As I was vacuuming today, I just wanted to brag about the Dyson V15 Detect. Mostly because as I was vacuuming, I was realizing how quiet it is and how traumatizing the sound of the vacuum was in my childhood because it was so loud and so grating. The dog would be barking and chasing it. Watch this action. She's not even a little bit concerned. So here's the deal. The dogs I have right now do not shed, but they do leave messy kibble crumbs all over the place. Oh. It's got all these different readings that you can like change the button to make it like an eco battery, regular, kick it up for a giant boost. Now that really picks up the kibble, let me tell you. Now, like I said, my dogs don't shed, but I do, and my hair does not get tangled up in this part or in the attachment that actually like cleans up the floor. It says it lasts for an entire hour. I don't vacuum for an hour. I don't have the energy or patience for that. I do like little 15-minute spurts, and this is perfect for me. Also, it now just has a cord that plugs into that little hole instead of a whole contraption that can stick on the wall or that you have to deal with when you're trying to take the whole thing apart. Just a cord that plugs into the wall. That's what I'm talking about. Highly recommend.